All right, so let's just say somebody asked me, okay, Emily, you can only pick one pair of jeans to wear for the rest of your life. Barrel jeans, all the way. Yes. And here's why.
That we made it out the matrix. It's impressive that the grass is really greener and the blue sky's looking like a portrait. We throw the hammock up in between the trees and see the canopy that cannot be more gorgeous. Look around, the world is yours. 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 Birds chirping outside telling me it's fine. Got a lot on my plate, but nothing on my mind. All I wanna do is kick back and unwind. Step one, just soak in the sunshine. Step two.
You have to do your party look again.
It's not a party look, it's a smoldering look. Thank you.
You living proof, you got nothing to prove. Birds chirping outside telling me it's fine. Got a lot on my plate, but nothing on my mind. All I wanna do is kick back and unwind. Step one, just soak in the sunshine. Step two, just take in the view. Step three, just do what you do. You already won, you got nothing to lose. You living proof, you got nothing to prove. Nowadays, we always on the move. A day later, dollar short is so true. On the tube, all we see is bad news. Waking up, getting to a bad mood. Sleep trees bending notes. They sing for you even when you don't notice. And when it's time to blossom, you turn into a lotus. Don't worry about the profit, it'll come, stay focused. Collaborating with the waves of the ocean. On the beach and we move in slow motion. Like the trees, stay rooted, keep hoping. Got sand in my shoes, but it feels fine. We're creators, we can move space and make time. On a roll like somebody cut my brake line. In nature, you won't ever see a straight